I am checking out this door chime for the very first time, and I love this thing already because after testing it, you're gonna see why. They were sent for my review, and I say they because there are 3 different door chimes and 2 receivers, which I think is great. So comes like this. Literally just take out this little tab, like I did that on the other one. Take the tab out, the batteries are already inside, but the receiver themselves, and I say themselves because yes, there are 2, need to be plugged into an outlet like this. So it is in an outlet. I have control over the volume, so the volume of the actual chime, and I have different types of chimes that I can go through and cycle through. So let's see if you guys can hear them. The classic, maybe something else. If you're a little bit more into the fantasy, and back down, yeah. Okay, now we're back to this one, and the cool thing, and that's why I said I love this stuff, is that out of the box, straight out, take out the tab, the batteries start working, and you don't have to pair them. They're already paired, they already know what they're doing. Look at how this works. So essentially, this will live on your door frame or next to your door frame, and this would be on your door. And when the connection is together, there's no sound, there's no nothing. But as soon as they get separated, that's when you get that alarm sound. So it's great for an office, for your home. Maybe you have like a door or an entrance that's away from wherever the family or yourself is, currently, you want to be alarmed. You want to get, oh yeah, what's happening here? You're going to hear it. And the cool thing too is that receiver right here could literally be next to your TV room, for example. You're in the living room and that door is being opened over there. You're going to hear it in the living room, which I think is great. So let's test it out. All it is, look at that. It's literally that. It is open, it's chiming. As soon as I bring it back together, it stops chiming. And again, I will do it again. So simple, right out of the box. I'm so impressed. They also give you the little tabs, so sticky tabs if you want to use the stickers, or the little hardware if you want to use the screws. So yeah, really a bunch of different ways to install this, and it is so simple to use right out of the box.